Controlling a relay using Arduino. When you are making any project that is connected to the AC mains supply, you need to isolate the controlling circuit, as well as yourself from the AC supply. Otherwise you may shock yourself. A relay is an electrically operated switch that can be turned on or off, using 5 volts provided by the Arduino pins. It is a bridge between Arduino and high voltage devices. Controlling a relay module with the Arduino is as simple as controlling any other output. In this tutorial, we will see how a relay is controlled using Arduino. This is the connection diagram of this project. Relay module works on 5-volt power supply. It has 3 main pins, VCC, ground, and input. Connect the VCC pin with 5-volt pin, ground pin with the ground pin, and input pin with pin number 11 of Arduino. This is the code of this project. Void setup is a function that we create at the top of each program. Inside the curly brackets is the code that we want to run once, as soon as the program starts running. Inside this function, we define which pin we want to use as an input pin, and which pin to use as an output pin. In this project, we will give high or low signals to the relay connected at pin number 11. So we will make pin number 11 an output pin. Void loop. This function continues to execute the code written inside it over and over, unless we reset the Arduino hardware board. Digital write 11, high. It will give a high signal to pin number 11 of Arduino, and turn on the relay. Delay 1000. This is a delay function. It will generate 1000 milliseconds of delay. Digital write 11, low. It will give a low signal to pin number 11 of Arduino, and turn off the relay. Now we will write this code on Arduino IDE compiler. After writing the code, we will save the project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu, and select Arduino Uno. Then we will go to the port option, and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Our code is now transferred to the hardware successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. We will take a 5-volt relay module. We will connect a red wire at its positive terminal, black wire at its negative terminal, and yellow wire at its input terminal. Now we will connect an AC load with our project. We will first take a 2-pin power cable and a bulb holder. We will connect one wire of the power cable directly with the holder. We will connect the second wire of power cable with the common pin of the relay module. Now we will connect the normally open pin of relay module with the holder. Now connect this relay module with Arduino. Connect the red wire of the relay module with the 5-volt pin of Arduino. Connect the black wire with the ground pin, and yellow wire with pin number 11 of Arduino. Now we will power up our project and test its functionality. We can see that relay is turning on and off continuously, with 1 second of delay, as written in the code. Our circuit is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help or to clear your doubts regarding your project, You can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To buy the items used in this project, you can visit our website www.erroltech.com. You can give us the orders on WhatsApp also. Thank you so much.